With over 2 decades of providing innovative financing services, Maldives Finance and Leasing Company (MFLC) is established as one of the leading providers of customer-centric financial solutions in the Maldives. We are privileged to create opportunities for our consumer and corporate customers by assisting their financial requirements and enabling sustainable growth. Our consumer products target a variety of individual financial requirements by offering attractive and convenient lease and loan solutions. MFLC also caters to the corporate clients by providing a competitive range of financial lease and loan solutions. We continue to expand our dynamic product range, with our newest loan product being MFLC Go Green. MFLC Go Green allows for lease and loan solutions designed to facilitate environmentally sustainable economic activities. Inquire for our lease and loan product information via telephone, social media, or by visiting us in person. Apply anytime, anywhere by simply filling and submitting your application form and supporting documents through our website www.mflc.mb or by email to apply@mflc.com.mb. Once your lease or loan facility is successfully approved, you will be contacted to visit and sign the agreement for the commencement of your facility. We offer a wide range of innovative products, affordable monthly installment schemes, convenient repayment solutions, and provide a seamlessly fast application process. We are conveniently located in Male and Hulumale and easily reachable via phone by contacting 331-5605 or 331-5606. MFLC is consistently committed to create opportunities to the public by providing high-quality financial services through exceptional service excellence.